Children, how are you all? Hope everybody are fine and safe. Children, in the previous video we have completed our lesson number 1 and about Mungisa we have completed. Today we are going to learn our next lesson, grand contest in the forest. Again we are going to learn about animals. Let us go for our lesson. The animals, birds and trees were exhibited. They began to prepare for the great day when they would give their best to the great one. Expected the little grassy squirrel means here everybody are preparing for some event. Some event means a great day. Here he had told means some event. What is that? Let us go to the lesson. They were excitement in the air. They were going to be a great contest. Everyone should show something special, and the best one would be praised by the Lord of fire, wind, water and sun. The animals and the trees began to prepare. Means here they are going to conduct some event, and for that event who is the guest? Fire, wind, water and sun. These 4 members are the guests, and they would like to give gifts or something, whatever it may be. They are the guest. I shall shine like the sparkling sunshine, said the laburnum. My flower will look like a golden raindrop. Means one of the tree is expressing her feeling that she would shine like something, and her flower will look like a gold drop. Let us see what is that. The Gulmohar said, I will dress myself so that I will look like a early morning sun, gold red, spreading radiance. I will offer the best honey I can find, shouting the beer. Means the beer all themselves are preparing for the grand event. See, they themselves are preparing. The elephant said, I will get the best fruit, so fresh it would still be on the branches, and lay them at her feet. Means elephant is expressing she would bring some of fruits which would be very fresh on the branches. Elephant is thinking like that. Next, everyone has something beautiful or wonderful to offer on the grand day. Means the event name is grand day. For that event everybody are thinking to be special, and everybody are preparing something specially to perform or to look very డిఫరెంట్లీ. మనం ఏదైనా ఫంక్షన్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే ఎలా రెడీ అవుతాం? బాగుండాలి, ఇలా నీట్గా వెళ్ళాలని. విల్ యూ థింక్ లైక్ దట్? ఎస్, లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ. ఫర్ దట్ ఈవెంట్ ఎవ్రీ యానిమల్ ఈజ్ థింకింగ్ సో. Everyone expected a little squirrel who talked sadly to herself. What does a little squirrel will backstep have to offer? The Palace said, the forest will be ablaze with my beauty. Thus later I will save some flowers. Means here the forest is telling it looks with beautiful with the flowers. If the season of the flowers is there, suppose if jasmine season, and under jasmine, if the season is jasmine season, how the flower tree will look? It looks very beautiful, no? Like that only. If it is the season of the flower, it looks very wonderful. We never expect that, right? Like that. And through early I will make some flowers blowing, snapped the Gulmohar means the flower, one of the flower of the tree is telling. One of the flower of the tree is telling, I will grow my flowers early. Early means it wanted rose kante mundu. The beautiful tree and creatures have started competing and fighting means ఒకళ్ళొకరు కంపేర్ చేసుకోవడం. The beautiful trees are comparing each other and they are fighting each other. My mangoes are really announced them. The mangoes are ready. Sorry, the mangoes are ready, announced the mango tree. The peacock said, embroidering and tortoise are my favorites. The latter, I will sing a song beautiful and moving. The dove cowed said, the great one who will love has soft note. Gifts and beautiful ambles through the squirrel is disappeared. He thought that through best, I will do what I can do the best. He decided. He found whole branches and filling them with as many nuts and seeds of different trees as he could find. Who is that? The squirrel is telling. Squirrel means no? Squirrel is telling he wanted to fill the box, one of the box with the different kinds of nuts from different trees. Means everybody are trying to do their best. Means every పద్ధతిలో వాళ్ళు బెస్ట్ ఇవ్వడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నారు. ద నెక్స్ట్ డే ఎవ్రీ వన్ వాస్ రెడీ. ద గ్రేట్ వన్ కమ్. The air became soft and balmy. The streams trinkles as they tremble over the little rock. Means నెక్స్ట్ డే పొద్దున్నే తెల్లారిపోయిందంట and they started themselves to prepare and హడావుడి అంటారు కదా, సేమ్ లైక్ దట్ ఇట్ వాస్ హ్యాపెండ్. Great one, here is my gift, said each, laying gifts at her feet. After everyone has given their gifts, the god only looked through little squirrel and asked little squirrel, why are you quiet? Great event, the great event, they themselves are ready, getting ready for the great event. And for the little squirrel, see here you can see the picture. Why are you quite so quiet? She's asking, I have nothing great at offering you. I don't blow or sing, but what I have is I have given with my heart. Means, did you understand here one thing? ఏం లేదు, బట్ నా దగ్గర ఏదైతే ఉందో అది నీకు ఇచ్చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను. హూ టోల్డ్ దీస్ వర్డ్స్? స్క్విరల్. I see beautiful in the form and sound all the ways of holding the breath, but I pushed. Means here they themselves గిఫ్ట్స్ ఇచ్చేసి ఎవరు అనేది అనౌన్స్ చేయకుండా ఎవరి పద్ధతిలో వాళ్ళని అనౌన్స్ చేశారు. The creatures then mauled, saying, how foolish we were to think only for the person. 3 cheers for little స్క్విరల్. ఎవరి పద్ధతిలో వాళ్ళు చేస్తేనే మనము అనేది మర్చిపోకుండా ఉంటాము. దట్ ఈస్ ద moral of the story. What is the moral? You have to be like you, not others. That is the moral. Okay children, be safe at home.